It's quick, easy, and so delicious. Your new go-to lunch or favorite snack time. First, gather your ingredients. For the bread, I'm using my favorite simple white bread, but you could use a thick Texas toast or your favorite bread. I'm using Colby Jack cheese for its ooey-gooey goodness, but cheddar is also a wonderful option. And then to make the exterior of the grilled cheese crispy, you need a fat. I'm using butter, but I want to elevate that a bit by making it tastier. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder to 4 tablespoons of salted butter. And then I like to add just a splash of hot sauce, which is totally optional. Mix that until it's well combined, and if garlic is not your thing, you can just use simple plain butter. Spread a thin layer of butter on the outside of your bread. Make sure you get both pieces of bread. Add on your cheese slices, and now you're ready for the air fryer, so place that in the basket or the tray of your air fryer. Make sure there is adequate airflow around those sandwiches. And then cook these in the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want to cook this too hot because the exterior will burn before the cheese is even melted in the middle. So 5 to 7 minutes, flipping it at halfway through. The crispy exterior and gooey interior make the perfect bite. Plus, the air fryer cleanup is a breeze. Give this method a try, I promise you will love it. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.